We are here in Russell for a fantastic weekend. We have left the kids with the grandparents and we're staying at the Duke of Marlborough. Just got 2 days here showing some visitors around from Germany and England. It's an opportunity to check out this fantastic town, but also have a nice weekend away. Hi, I'm Emily and I run Emily in NZ, posting every Friday about living, working and exploring this beautiful country that is New Zealand. So hit subscribe to see our next adventures. This is the Duke of Marlborough Hotel. There's been a hotel on this site since 1827. This is before the Treaty of Waitangi was signed in 1840. This building's been here since 1875 because the two previous buildings burnt down. It was thoroughly renovated in 2003, making it a 4.5-star hotel. This was one of their classic rooms, which start at a reasonable price of $185 per night, but with some amazing upgrades like waterfront rooms and balcony rooms. Let's just take a look at that floor again. I love it. And they've even got the emblem for the Kororareka, which is the Māori name for Russell. And nice to be joined by Captain Cook and Queen Elizabeth in the hallway as well. Located on the waterfront, it is perfectly positioned for exploring everything in Russell by foot. Which is exactly what we did the next day when we booked a nature cruise with Explore to go and see the hole in the rock and maybe some dolphins. The best way to see the Bay of Islands is to get out on the boat and to get exploring. Out to the hole in the rock. The hole in the rock is out on the open sea, so it's a little bit windy and quite a bit of a high swell, as you can tell. And unfortunately it was too dangerous to go through the rock, so we've turned around and come back. However, on a previous trip that you can see in this video at Christmas, we went through. It was so exciting. Also on a previous trip earlier this year, we saw dolphins and we got this amazing shot. It's September and it's spring and the weather can be a little bit changeable, but it was still a fantastic trip today. Now to sit down for 15 minutes whilst we go over this bit of crossing as we head towards the island. This is Otehei Island. The boat stops here and you can have a fabulous explore. This is one of my favourite places in New Zealand. It is just stunning. It's a wonderful place to stop, go for a walk, have a meal at the restaurant, or you could even camp overnight. Nobody lives here and you can only access this island by boat. Now we've had some refreshments in the restaurant, let's go for a walk up the hill and check out the gorgeous views. There's a few walks that you can do on this island. You could spend the whole day going between different bays and snorkeling and walking around, and then you can even stay and camp at the campsite where we were a second ago. get back, there's the boat waiting to take us back to Russell. We're sheltered by all the islands now, so we're pretty smooth crossing back to Russell. Back to the hotel for a rest before our evening plans. We've got a table booked in our hotel, the Duke of Marlborough, for our evening meal tonight. And since I haven't got to walk too far, I thought I'd wear my funky shoes. We have previously dined twice here with our children. They are accommodating for children. I tend to get an earlier booking. Here we are earlier this year on New Year's Day, enjoying a wonderful family evening meal to celebrate the welcoming of 2024. But this time, Mummy wasn't having to look after children, so she enjoyed a flight of wine. Their food really is amazing, and for the dining experience and the quality of food, it is reasonably priced. A very short walk away is the Butterfish Cafe to have breakfast by the water before we start heading back to Auckland. Thank you, Russell. We truly love this area. We've already booked to bring the family again in February, so we'll see you then. Back home now. That was a really cool trip. Bit of a shame about the weather, but that's September for you. 1 minute it can be rainy and cloudy, and next thing you know, it's sunny and gorgeous. The island was beautiful, wasn't it? We love the area of Russell and the Bay of Islands. We only spent less than 48 hours there. It is somewhere where I suggest going to on your road trip itinerary, of which I've got a video here. And I say you can do 2 days, but you could do 3, 4 or 5 days in this beautiful area of the Bay of Islands. Thank you for watching. I post every Friday about living, working and exploring New Zealand. I've got lots of videos on my channel and have linked to some here. So hit subscribe so you'll keep updated about my next video. I'll see you in my next video.